Hey everyone! Today we're sharing important tips on how to handle travel emergencies and manage crisis situations while you're away from home. Being prepared can make all the difference in ensuring your safety and well-being. Make sure to subscribe and comment "I subscribed" and I will try to respond to all of you. Now let's dive right into the video. 1. Keep important documents handy. Always keep copies of your important documents such as your passport, visa, travel insurance, and emergency contact information in multiple locations. Have physical copies stored separately from the originals and digital copies stored securely online. This ensures you can access essential information if your documents are lost or stolen. 2. Know emergency numbers. Familiarize yourself with the local emergency numbers for the country you are visiting, including police, ambulance, and fire services. Keep these numbers easily accessible in your phone and written down somewhere safe. Knowing who to call in an emergency can save valuable time and potentially save lives. 3. Stay informed about local conditions. Keep up to date with local news and weather forecasts to stay informed about any potential issues that could affect your travel plans. Register with your country's embassy or consulate upon arrival so they can contact you in case of an emergency. Being aware of local conditions helps you make informed decisions and avoid risky situations. 4. Have a medical kit. Carry a basic medical kit that includes essential items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications you may need. Familiarize yourself with the locations of nearby hospitals or clinics. In case of a medical emergency, having the necessary supplies and knowing where to go can be crucial. And before we continue, if you're planning your next trip, make sure to check out Aviasales. They compare prices from hundreds of airlines and travel agencies, helping you find the best deals on flights. I've used them myself and saved a ton. Click the link in the description to start finding the cheapest flights for your next adventure with Aviasales. Now let's get on with the video. 5. Plan for communication. Ensure you have a reliable way to communicate with family and friends back home, as well as local emergency services. Consider purchasing a local SIM card or an international phone plan to avoid high roaming charges. Apps like WhatsApp or Skype can also be useful for staying in touch without incurring extra costs. 6. Have a financial backup plan. Ensure you have multiple ways to access money in case of an emergency. Carry some local currency and have a backup credit card and a secure way to store it. Consider using travel money cards that can be easily topped up online. This way, you'll be prepared if your primary payment method fails or is stolen. 7. Know your insurance coverage. Understand the details of your travel insurance policy, including what is covered and the procedures for making a claim. Carry a copy of your insurance policy and the emergency contact numbers for your insurance provider. In a crisis situation, knowing your coverage can help you make informed decisions and reduce stress. 8. Have an emergency contact plan. Establish a plan with your travel companions on what to do if you get separated or if an emergency occurs. Agree on a meeting point and a way to communicate if phone lines are down. Share your itinerary with someone you trust back home and check in regularly. 9. Stay calm and collected. In any emergency, staying calm is crucial. Take a moment to assess the situation and gather your thoughts before taking action. Panicking can lead to poor decisions and increase the risk of harm. Trust your instincts and prioritize your safety above all else. 10. Seek help from local authorities. If you find yourself in a crisis, don't hesitate to seek help from local authorities, such as the police, your country's embassy or consulate, or medical professionals. They are there to assist you and can provide valuable support and resources. Be respectful and cooperative, as this will facilitate getting the help you need. And there you have it, folks. Essential tips on how to handle travel emergencies and manage crisis situations while you're traveling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel tips and content. Until next time, stay safe and happy travels.